Akwaba kesi be ba Adom TV so Adom TV so be dwonjuma die so dia wo kan si won sempa esa kana no pan so ja me din de Enoch Kwesi Walanyo Wallace agudie catch back up the only nomenclature the professor's degree in sports the Al Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and mesin kunyana me kono kwanten kodin small do esa kana no pan so bi e Ghana agudie eja o share so ma me say Richoko person no shoe dey na nya dey right there Richoko bo modern adase dokodoko ya mo sabetia sa kabibo bi ma papa mbo bi nkwala ne ensa fesu ofie so a momo embo bi betia sa bo ama wetia start dey right in Ghanaian way bo modern so sabetia ka Richoko ne di ka fa Richoko no say woketo ho e waden tem na fe obodo no so an setimi ka bia obetimi edi ache Richoko start your day with Richoko no so betia sa bo a ema wetimi a start day no in a Ghanaian way sanso ana game park limited phone paying for the chacha so kwetia sa be nei boys dia edi no enya sem keto kra me so fa ho gym is an we PM Adom TV had ya na se no nkron 9 PM see Ghana ya the first draw 8 PM to Ghana 12 PM ya sa the second draw 8 PM so na 6 PM ya the third draw 8 PM but so when the no pa obetimi ade awia when the awia so obetimi ade anwumre intimi sew omodi ada so do obetimi san gym se be ya onso so obetimi aka sika kese a enne game park limited phone paying for the abano okita tablet phone and na say okita computer obetimi a download game park limited omo app no na wetimi asade ato omodi ada numbers na kakra bi pe na obetimi asaka ka fra otimi nya bia ebetimi aboa mouse wetimi said nobody beats us in Ghana and in Tina make for game park limited and as a game park games no e the American game park games ya no wajim so more mula more power omna attached regulated by the National Authority and after so kwani mu feeling otwe fa ho njim obetin so a na wode adwene kakra twan sa tonye sa chacha diwa wadwene ebetimi abomutim betimi sa hyehwintia na wa hyere so e the amame we mu ene sponsors ne mu etotro to ne twetwe na no penso mo attached aboa e ma ye de agokensie ho nsempa esa kana 8 mejaw a journey of 1,000 kilometers begins with the very first step yenkomu e wo women's world cup final bibia betwem a memeda na sa kins kesen betimi to Spain and England former and the Sakins kesen ebitia bosso ebedi akire na ede wonsonso na etian sabro bio yenko EPL fixtures ebitia santo femene no Nottingham Forest next Nottingham Fonwuram wom ene Sheffield United for and the kesen ebitia bosso and today and as Sakins ebitia to fem na fe ochina memeda 19th of August Fulham beton said after Bedford na omashisia kan na fe so Liverpool and Bournemouth be shisia kan Wolves eton said after Brighton and Hooves Albion na omso dia bosso Tottenham Hotspur beton said after Manchester United na omso Asia na fe Manchester City and Newcastle United at the airboso ehonum na fe kwaseda Aston Villa ne Everton be shisia kan na fe dwoda akan say ba ko betia kan sensem no na Crystal Palace and Arsenal ana shisia kan e wo mutwumadia so ebetia sedint way EPL English Premier League say na matches ne be sia kono ana yede ho sonsanso kakra etmeja afima mintintom e wo Ghana enkomumudia former communications director Edema Ghana Football Association ene oyadwuma Edema CAF ne bifafo na Ura Ibrahim Sani Dara ode nkomo kakra etmesan ja se obi oba bia so odimi edina aba no etmesan ko e wo Ghana Football Association abatunum dia na Kurt Edwin Simon Okraku na chi ene so bi etmesan dineboa na opeja Ghana franc na gira kunkon e wo agudie no ahwese na nyama AC koso we nkomo the upcoming elective congress no kukomu hwese na hye AC koso no dia na je se Ura didine Kurt Edwin Simon Okraku e fale no so no na se former vice president of the Ghana Football George Akwasi Afie ono so etmesan fale a ogire pass 27th of September sana French for can say September no say obia eto the market Edwin Simon Okraku
to support Kurt not just because he has been my childhood friend but because he has demonstrated that he's capable of doing the job, and I think that at this moment it must not be a Kurt Okraku project. It must be a Ghana project. First of all, the entire West Africa region has accepted that Kurt is a good leader, so they've made him their leader. As a country, it's important that we observe these things and see that if one of us is climbing the ladder onto the table of the big men of world football, we must also be seen, not only privately but publicly, supporting that vision. I think there are a few people who are still hurt from the last elections that, we should bring on board. Everybody must come on board. It's a family. It's not a political party. The Ghana Football Association is the one uniting factor for all Ghanaians. And we, the first members of the family, must show this unity. We must come together. If you feel you've been hurt by this or that, I think it is the time for us to bury all the hatchet. From the president of the FA himself, from all the parties, the interested parties. Let's come together as one Ghana and move the country forward. We have to support Kurt, not just because...
BBC Centroni and our friends who are former communications director of the Ghana Football Association, Ibrahim Sani Dara, and our tenant can say, or no, and so Pijan in Satia will drum HS will be Anton from Market Edwin Simon of Kraku, or Abattoir, a bit in Abaso, 27th of September 2023. Now, Yakumu beyond the George Aquasia free, I also have filed a president, a team said, Dio Ghana Hano, also then Kumoha Kretian San Basse, a Chamele Bo and an annual dampen for 8 Sunday to just say, Feninum, now intimate into and son waiting to filing a 50,000 Ghana citizens and Kansi Canada, a 500 million, and I'll be said to and son waiting to be general president, no, and in TNA as a Nipa, one more say, almost impossible betting and Sambe Prabuano. Omi 19 for money and Sanchez Sanchez Sunquimu, Nina say, Oko calf, anything for catch it, Nasa Oko pray, a president Krana, Yen Tiasikano.
I'll ask you a simple question. The FA president and the executive council has access to pay 50,000. If my brother Ketokreku wants to contest for FIFA position, the president of CAF position, the executive council, ask him whether he's going to pay money. Because in FIFA and CAF, there is money for governance. You don't need to pay a filing fees. But here in our situation, the FA found it prudent that no, we need organizational costs, so pay 50,000. This explains that there are things you can do in your jurisdiction that does not require the approval of FIFA. But the RFs be made to believe that, oh, we've sent amendment to FIFA waiting for approval. Okay, if that is the case, why is the FA president promising at the last Congress that we will be giving you 4,000 and we'll set an RFA desk at the secretariat? If the man has any intention of bringing you to executive council, why would he be giving you 4,000? In the coming days, we will be educating our brothers. The people who spend their money from their pocket, the people who waste their time to run football, we will be telling them every single truth.
Akwasi free chese nkontomponi na braba se obi da omo e wo se obepie mu e wo regional football association akache obetua se tuomo ka bosumi bia na sa nipa no so wo trimpo so do beba executive council no so a onfa sa abo hye no entimi ensan fama esan se ko FIFA ene ka fa akache na se ko fale se president a enya dia otua sika pudu bc e wo omakache Alhaji Abdul Karim Gusa founder bankroller and owner of Kumasi Kemfaisa, in fact the oldest football administrator in Ghana now. Na okan experience dia ebibirebe alaji nso den komo akretua sa ba se nhuhu enam fam che se umahwe na sana nema esi course na enei ye hwe anim se kwa bia so vetting committee betia vetting all the candidates asane atom so aba na so manhwe na sana nema esi course na nema na nam fam so manhwe a ebetimi a disqualify bumtitu pa George Akwese fie no emfa so die 8 sa mbanti omhwe se be a obetia menya peaceful election.
That so ye yin na one family. Dena me supportu Bomia $1,000,000%. Say ebi oho. But interest me the rest of the 9 people no.
Okay.
I say UP tradition obia na be win no. Minister nyame se omu ba ko wini mi se nyame se bonyan wini.
Okay. Ti Alhaji we dey so be kan ko si senti no meja o.
We dey ma mi tap asam tro. Se nyame ya adum no wini a alhamdulillah me da yakupo asi.
Alhaji Abdul Karim Gusa founder owner and then bankroller of Kumasi Kemfaisa nothing can say odena no 2 elections nim say e be here a peaceful election on the 27th of September. Yenko Patrick Osajeman countryman sungu ho na yenko sungu stake na kwa fede die eno ande de preparechi e dia ma. Hello Sungu. Hello Sungu. Okay. Enti yenhwe mu na yento ankomo no so kakra nyame adom na so ngo ba besa de hyehyɛ de tuan san brɛ na ni ayibo nte di second gbeche manche enso eba mfo be kan kan efen tomyo kan na o hazo fofo epanyi ba ko pa na ne o nkomo kakra ba ni na se ogiri pa se to gbe afeda di 14th ni dwumadi a odi no ade a ebo apa nti amanfo ma na chita mu edene na mwa emane ama entian koye emfama akra hazo fo bubuku no nyame adom a ye de ho nkomo no enso etian to aso.
Only one person. So the regional chairman, they go back, talk to your people, advise them for them to change their mind. We cannot win all matches. That's football. My visitor promises that this time we will get all the 3 points. Also, I thank all of you. My last word to you, go back, talk to your people there, and then they give their support. The support is that they need to feed the stadium. When I saw
Inti gbeche manche ni ayibote the second gbeche traditional stool no on ete so na o advice supporters ne se mo hwe nim se kwa bias no wo ede ni die se ebetiama the house of folk tradition no na aboa emaniama etia tutu ye ede amom ye ko Patrick Osajman countryman Songo Hobio na Songo Steak ye den komo no so etia bro ne. Hello Songo.
Professor, fantastic morning. More fire.
Yeah, good morning.
Thank God it's Friday. Bibia boko there.
Yeho atiasi bibia boko ah.
Menya kupona so. Ni aibunti fantastic. I mean wakase a ball betonet.
Edokre.
Oh yes, ni aibunti se ball betonet to mute betonet. And so ya musu bi no yentna wasa.
Edokre.
Bia so ne so bi o se to bi ani so yenam.
Amafo ni mba kwasemu.
Oh yeah, we take the no champion. Oh you and you see they still love the game. They still love the game, football. No? You understand? But near how are managing a cup from Ghana football cup from but we share Africa is here. Ghana football a cup from we are see a football a cup from I mean we'll find all means to make sure say Black Stars be qualified for tournament there, but at the end of the day now a disgrace. You understand? Group stage piano, you understand? And I mean, all national teams no decline. I mean, they say no national teams in our form. You understand? Or your local league, say destroyed. And in your new plan, something must happen. Somebody also will be also will be Timima BBC out of our football. Say a conform a Timia Pija. And sorry, that is what it has to happen. I mean, for shaggy reasons, here will be to. I mean, if it is still the current leadership, we are your woman, Ukraine, here's a system. Something should happen to our football. Say, BBC San football because Ghana football come from power. You understand? So, delegates and I'm warm so next month about football. The delegates They shouldn't be cheap. They should be action questions. They should make sure, I mean, policy documents, blueprint. Running football. No, I mean, it's there. And also blueprint, policy document, now to say, I mean, it will materialize. Just book. You understand? The delegates should free themselves away from that. I mean, yeah, mamiska, maybe, share the situation at hand. Say Ghana football, the national teams, local football, say the city, Koso, and I say Koso, I mean, what can the sitting president, I'll still opposite to the Swabano, deal with my change system, no, almost almost policy document, blueprint way, a deal almost with my assistant system. They should create a competition out of this football elections rather than say, I mean, you go out there endorsing one person, because of and I say, you scam. No. I mean, if we said the sitting person here Okay. Okay, in what sense? Look at 3-4 years now football. I mean, but you can help the person in a way. One also every say conformity was what you do now. One also the system will be between. I mean, something should happen to our football because it's in your conform. I mean, Africa, Ghana football, your conform. 40-41 years Blasters in team in the African Cup. I mean, a conform. You local league. How well nipa ni betimi ama sika bam sponsorship bam how well I mean football for betimi ahwe say officiating ye tuare fisika good officiating and for umu emma park bim Ghana for us so umu park Ghanaians play football but I mean when Oba Stadium now there's no sort of entertainment. And one say referee bad officiating, I'm on schedule. And why is it that the local league, in Peja, who is coming to do it? Why in the between assistant system? Right now, the situation in Ghana, woman, football, conform. We hear say a bit shaky system. Shaking the system says something should happen, and it has to happen. Also, BBC by way of say. I mean, you be say, "Obi betimi di bibia betuma football na pija." We need leaders. Young and painful. Betimi di bibi out of football. No kule DSNia, Senegal football they call Morocco football they call. I mean, Egypt football they call. Woma, you know, musi still na football. Womu yenia. Womu kura. Yeni would teach womu to say Comoros. Muna to say womu yeni Tanzania mo. Africa no or say yetimi system your football system yeti one say football na say your normalization and to your boss ya me normalize it and the people you want to aba and I see elections a fan paying for but the system nobody gonna it's a woman senior woman something must happen because football is I conform I say Ghana I conform local league in their site. And Nigeria na make local players now how many anything for Blasters? How many anything compete with Blasters? Name local boys and how many in the call the various and I say other national teams new national teams new because other national teams new if been to be qualified for tournament if be call no musu aqua correct and your Blasters area. So football the whole year. I mean you should have a blueprint, you understand a policy. Yeah, I mean, we should know it from the beginning. He say, "You be shots, you be to about ubuka, or the ababa to on the sabu could be to me. Juma, practically, you be who said BBC football in football now. I conform, I say, oh, no. This time, Sika be a baby, a moody show more grassroots to me, a FIFA Sika or the Babiano, who make sure that football and a moody. You understand? And yeah, along the line, now you see we are quite football school. I mean, I can't see an or policy or blueprinting. You understand? Yes, say along the line you got football school now more ten or whatever. What criteria by one mona airport one mona. I mean, also to call football school. You understand? Just football now. Ghana no also yet say and we are see and be able okay and our system national okay or yeah can you gonna want too much more fire okay you be 1 p.m. yeah prof okay fire for fire and we are 1 p.m. more fire so para games so that's it you can watch more professor. And the Patrick was my countryman Sungo Nathan and Cano or Sungo Stick, so then come on 18 Samba Para Games Yamiatoma and also Bebo Juma, my phone and Yama Asia course with regards to Ghana games are yeah they beat me a certain time so Nemum Richoku Omne Techri Park Medicine Shasun Creating Breo and after Game Park Limited phone paying for the Game Park at me about and you do Hujima beating Sambwa among Susika Semso at Yaku Madama Omne Techri Boman and Opus then come on Ebreo Meso Studio
boatma and entertainment ni mo de nyanka nso kwada ana ode airba ntimisrew e na do afide na ato Adom TV so ka kire busuafo ne na fofo no bia anwane na boatma bai ode nkomodeba onso wetimi nya chefa omu midin the profiki wala sagudi catch back open am of course evidence based representation it mejaw rather than the act of being a good guest is to not to say goodbye.